Hey, wizards, I hope you're having some fun, especially coloring in all this stuff. You're learning your multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, and today again we're working on sets. We're going to be working with, I'm going to go back and review with you the light green sets. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page where you had to come up with the letters of the numbers of each set. We're going to start with 2 sets of light green, and we're going to use our track to do this with. So 2 sets of light green equal what color? D. 6. So D we write. We're working in codes, so it's a D for dark green. Let's go to the next little problem next to it. 5G. 5G equals 15. How do we write 15? Tracy's going to show us with a 10 and a yellow. So it's with an O for orange and a Y for yellow. So it's an O and a Y. 5G again. So it's the same problem all over again. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets of 3 equal 15. And again at the top, it's an orange and a yellow that equal 15. So let's write it again. An orange O and a yellow Y. Really important. Now, the last one is 1G. 1G. And 1G equals 3. So we're just going to write a G. We're always working in code right now. Excellent. So let's take a look at it. You should have finished off with a G, an O and a Y, and an E for the first problem. The second one, a D, an O and a Y, an O and a Y, and a G. Excellent. Now let's turn the page, and we're going to start on 4s. We have it. Everything's in place. We're going to use our track again. Very important for you to use this tool. Extremely at this point, we're going to start doing larger numbers. Now, at the very top, it's 3 P's. Take a look at 3 P's. 1 set, 2 set, 3 sets. And what does it equal? 12. That's our first example. Now let's move down to the next problem. 1P. 1P is 4. Let's color it in. She counted them. Really good. Now we're going to do the next one. 4P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 P's is 16. Not hard, especially when you're using the track. And we're going to do the one above it. So it's 16. So 4 P's is really 16. An orange for 10 and a D for dark green. And now Tracy's going to color it all in. 1 set, 2 set, 3 sets, 4 sets, and it equals 16. Excellent. Remember to always do it with the first color that we're talking about. This is purple. Then go over the top of it with using 10s as an answer if you can. If it's 10 or above, use the orange in there. Excellent. Now, we're going to go to the bottom of the page and only do one of them today. I'm hoping that you just make the transition down, and here we go. Use your train, write the letter or letters that equals the number for each box. 1P equals P, so she's going to write down the P. Next one has 5 P's. Let's take a look at what 5 P's equal. This is going to be cool. This is the first time that you're going to use this. 5 P's is 2 10s. There you go. So 5P is 20. And we don't want to write it, we always want to write it in the shortest manner possible. So we use a large number such as 10. So on this one, we write 00. In orange, 2 O's in orange. Excellent. Now let's look at the next one, 3 P's. 3 P's. So 3 P's equal 12. And as Tracy's doing that, it's a 10 and a 2. So you write an orange O and a red R. There you go. Not a word on this one. I'm just having you get used to the codes and how to write them differently. Okay, let's now go to page 128, and guess what? We're into the 5s. First one we're going to do is 3 Y's, and Y is 5. So 3 sets of Y or 3 sets of 5. Tracy's putting them up there for you. She's now into 3 sets of 5 is 15. And they're all colored in, 15. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 set. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 sets. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 sets of 5 is 15. Okay? I'm going to skip the next one. I'm going to go down to 2Y. 2Y. 2 yellows. So it's 2 5s. Let's put them down as 1 set of 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 set. Next set. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 5s is 10. So she's going to color the 2 sets.
That's on the wrong line. I did this line by mistake.
That's okay.
Okay. So
2 sets. There we go. And 2 sets equal 10. So let's put the orange above it. You see how numbers are within numbers. 2 5s equal a 10. Now, let's go to the bottom of the page. And we're going to do the codes at the bottom. 1Y equals a Y. 5 Y's. And here's the tricky one. This is really tricky, so stay with us on this one. 5 Y's is 25. How can we make 25 using this fewest number of Cuisenaire rods? Let's use a 10 and a 10, 20, and let's use a yellow for a 5. There's different ways we could do this. You don't have to use 10 and 10. You could use all 5s. You could use any numbers that you want to, but we're today taking a look at sets. So 4 sets of yellow is 20, and we're going to write it out as orange, orange, yellow. 10, 25. Now we have the last problem. 3 Y's. Just 3 Y's. She already has that up there. 3 sets of 5. 3 sets of 5 equals 15. How do we write 15 the quickest way possible? 10 and a 5. An orange and a yellow. An orange and a Y. There you go. The next set is up for you. We'll check on to you at the next lesson. We're now going to do the last one of these, which is 6. 6 is dark green. and it's the last one for our lesson for today. Look at the top. And Tracy's going to put down 2 dark greens, 2 Ds. And 2 Ds she has trouble just like the kids do. Some are wooden, some are plastic, some fit really well, and a little bit harder. Okay, 2 Ds are 12. Let's count out them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the first set. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is the second set. So 2 sets of 6 are 12. 2 sets of D, same thing, is 12. Okay. Now, let's go down to the first problem. 1 set of D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Tracy's going to color that in. The dark green, we're using dark green for this whole page. Let's drop down to the hardest one on the page. 6D. Now let's count them.
I need one more. I need one more dark green.
You need one more dark green? Here you go. Probably have to move it this way to see it. So we're down at, point at the 6, please. We're down at that one. 6 sets of 6. Whoa, 6 sets of D. And let's count them. It's going to be a large number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 2 sets. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 sets. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 sets. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 5 sets. The last set. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Wow! So 6 sets of 6 or 6 sets of D equals 36. Now, how do we write 36 down? The shortest method possible. A 10, a 10, a 10, and a 6, a dark green. There you go. Take a look at that. Now, that's what it looks like. That is why you need to have a track. Okay? Now, hope you had some fun with this today. Tomorrow we're going to pick up with 7s. It's going to take us a little bit longer to do the 7s. Each number that we get a little higher is going to take us a little bit longer. I want you to have a great day, and that's the end of the lesson for today. We'll go back and check your answers off tomorrow. Have a great day.